Hi folks, I am solving Leetcode's top 150 questions and that's all you need for your coding interview. So in this video, we'll solve number 2, which is add two numbers. Numbers are given in reverse order. That means 243 is actually 342 and 564 is actually 465. So this is like regular addition where we will have to add these two, which is 7, 4 and 6. This is 10, but we have to carry this. We have to return it in reverse order. One edge case that you see right away is we have to carry this element. That's what makes it a little bit complex. Now let's take this example here. The size of the list is different. This has 3 elements. This has 4 elements. We will start by adding these two. Here it will be 7, then 0, and then we will carry forward our 1 to this node right here. Then this will be 8, and then if you see here, there is no element here. So we will add 0 and then 8, and this is what we will return. Apart from that, there is one more edge case. Let's say we have two nodes, which is 9 plus 9. So the addition will be here. This will be 8 here, and then we have to add one more node which is called 1. But here, since both of them points to null, there is no new node. So we will have to make sure we should handle this case also. Now let me code this up. We can start by having some sort of result node so that we don't have to deal with all of the edge cases around inserting an element. We will also need the current, which will be our res. And now while our L1 and L2 is not null, we can start calculating the value. Remember, if we have L1, then it will be L1 dot value. Otherwise, it will be 0. Before calculating our final value, we will also have to take the carry. Let me define that. And now we can decide our value. And now remember, we need the last character. So in case of 18, we will need 8 as one character and 1 as another. So for that, our carry will be, so this will give us 1, and our value would be, this will give our 8 for 2-digit numbers. And then we can create a new node with this value. And then let's move our pointers. Our L1 will be, if we have L1, then it will be L1 dot next, or else it will be null. Similarly for L2. Before that, our current will be current dot next. And one edge case, this case right here. So to solve for this, we need to run our loop if we have carry as well, so that the new element gets created. And finally, we will return our rest dot next. And this completes our solution. Time complexity for this, since we are iterating both of the list once, it will be big O of m plus n. M and n are lengths of list 1 and list 2. Now let me run this. It works. Let me submit this. It works. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, you can consider subscribing to this channel. And thank you so much for watching.